Is Doge ready to launch and make some new highs? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video right now. And I've got some opinions toward that I'm going to share some evidence for. We'll start right now. I'll start by looking at one of my favorite tools in the crypto world, that is tradingview.com. I'm going to look at the Doge technical analysis and look at their indicators. They're showing a summary. This is on the 1-day time frame, a summary buy. If I scroll down, oscillators are neutral with moving averages showing a buy. On the 1 week, much of the same, a buy, neutral, and then a strong buy on moving averages. And on the 1 month, a buy on the summary, and a buy on the oscillators, strong buy on moving averages. This is also what I'm seeing on the charts, and it kind of agrees with what the technical analysis on TradingView is showing, with a couple of caveats. Let's take a step back. I'm going to go to the weekly on Doge. All right, here we are on Doge. Obviously, across crypto in October, we experienced the beginning of this fantastic run up starting the middle of October across all of crypto. Doge was sitting around, let's say 0.06 for a nice round number, and we've gone up to hit the top of 0.10. And that happened during October, November, December, a fantastic rally for Doge. And that was a very big move. Now, here's a little bit of concern I see for Doge. First of all, I've seen Doge has not been a leading coin in this move. It did not double. There's no reason that's particularly important other than a lot of other coins have doubled. And I'm on Hotel Wireless, so I am much slower than normal. I'm a little bit hesitant to click on some of these charts like I normally would. Here's the VET. It made its high December 13 and has went up. Its entire move has doubled, if I recall, on VET. We were down around 0.15 on VET, and yeah, it's up around 0.034, so that was a double. Cardano, I think, doubled. 0.24, almost tripled. I know Solana has doubled. That's gone up 5 or 6 times. So there's other coins that have doubled. Doge did not. It was more like Bitcoin and Ethereum, where it went up about 75%. And also those coins I just showed you, after they made their December high, like Doge did on the 10th of December, you can see that right here. After Doge made its December high, it kind of worked its way down, which other coins did, perfectly natural, no concern at all. But some of those other coins have started moving back up and have even started challenging their highs, like Bitcoin has broken out and it's now above 45,000. Ethereum is trying to break out of its December high. It's tried that week twice. I think it'll eventually get there. So Doge has not challenged its high. It's been one of the weaker coins, although look, we're not going to complain because it's made a fantastic move. Any financial instrument that makes 75% in a matter of 2 months, we're not going to complain about. So that's perfectly fine. It's just, my point is, it's just showing less bullishness, I would say, than some of the other coins. But that may just mean it just hasn't had its time to run. Maybe it's just not been pushed yet. We'll have to wait and see. And I have no long-term concerns about Doge. I'm strictly speaking about the short term. It's acting perfectly naturally. In fact, it's acting like you would expect the other coins to act. That is to you see this line right here about 0.087? It's drawn right here at the top of this day. It's drawn right here at the top of these days. These were resistances. And as price moved up and was making those higher lows, it eventually broke that wall and moved up. That's perfectly normal price behavior. And then since it has come down and turned that resistance has now turned into support, and every time prices reach there, here and here, it has been bought up. That is 100% natural behavior. So there is no concern that Doge is not behaving properly. It is doing everything it is supposed to. It just isn't moving as much as some other coins. But I do believe, based on TradingView's analysis, which I like, the fact that other coins are challenging their high, and the fact that Bitcoin today has already challenged and broken that 45,000, I didn't expect that soon. I expected it toward the first full week of January. Not necessarily this week. That's been historically when Bitcoin started moving after the lull of the end and beginning of the year, but it's already broken 45,000. Ethereum is challenging its high, trying to get over that 2,400. So I think Bitcoin, Ethereum are going to pull up the other coins. Naturally, they generally do. And we may be seeing Doge move up here soon. My only concern is it just shows more weakness than some of the, not more weakness because it's not weak at all. It shows less strength than some of the other coins. And so we'll just have to see when it's going to run. I cannot say exactly when it's going to run. We'll just have to see if it does. But as long as Bitcoin, Ethereum are making higher highs, it's generally going to act as a magnet for all of crypto and start pulling up these prices here anytime. I do think we will be challenging this 10.10 that is here before much longer. But Doge does need to get on its horse and start making its move up. It's concerning is not the right word. Probably I'm just being impatient. that might be the more natural word. But I do want to see price go up, and we certainly do not want to see it fall below this 0.087. If it falls below this level, we'll have to have a different conversation about Doge. But right now, it's resting where it should be. This line doesn't mean a whole lot much anymore, this blue line. It was a loose weekly uptrend, but I'm probably going to take that off. It doesn't. Now I'm going to leave it there because it does show the good context, but I'm not really worried about this line at all. Here's the level we would be looking at. We don't want to see Doge break below this 0.087. And to be honest with you, with Bitcoin and Ethereum challenging its highs, I don't see Doge doing that. I think any day soon we should start seeing Doge make some newer highs. All right. That's my update on Doge. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back. I will keep you updated on the movements of Doge and other crypto coins across the market. All right, y'all take care out there.